Alright, so now I'm back and I have a little bit of a haul for you. Some of the products that I actually purchased are for future videos. I get asked questions, there's 3 questions I get asked most of the time, and that is skincare, hair care, and what do I eat to stay healthy and stay fit. So, you know, you pretty much know how I eat. You pretty much know my skincare routine, although I am always going to bring you skincare videos because it's what I live for. It's what I do, darling. It's what I do. and hair care. I take care of my hair. I always have and I always will. As long as these paws will allow me to play with my hair, I'm always going to take care of it. And then I will pay someone to take care of it because healthy looking hair is just so important to me. Okay, so I actually have an assortment of things to share with you and we are going to get started. I have a friend who just had some surgery and she loves to read. So while at Costco, I saw these 2 books and I may go back and get this one for me because it just seems it seems like a book that would really interest me. It's called The 3 Sisters from Heather Morris. This was just being taken out of the boxes at Costco. So if you're somebody who gets your books at Costco because they're $17, it's either coming or it just got put out. I just bought this book yesterday. And then this one here I also bought for her. And this is called Cloud Cuckoo Land. She likes to read time period. She reads very different books from me, so I always keep that in mind when I am picking books out for her, but I thought that they're actually from Harley and Lula. She always buys little treats for Harley and Lula, so Lou will take them to her husband tomorrow. He golfs with him, and I have a little card inside that, you know, we call her Auntie, and love Harley and Lula. I know. They're my children. What can I do? So I did pick those up at Costco. But I'm sure they're at any bookstore. And also at Costco, while I was there, I picked up a pack of these Grandeur Hospitality hand towels. I like to have these for when I'm doing spas or facials. They're hand towels and I wet them and put them in my crock pot so I have warm towels. And I needed some new ones. The older ones were getting dingy. So I did pick those up. They're a really good price and you get, I think you get, how many towels? 12 pack. It says right on the cover, right on the little seal there. 12 pack. All right, so next I have taken to grooming my dogs again because I have taken them to 2 groomers here. One groomer I really loved and she hurt her back and she no longer will do big dogs. So I went by, if I saw somebody walk on a dog that was really cute, the haircut and everything, I would stop them whether I was driving or not, and I would say, where do you have your dog groomed? And, you know, they gave me their names. And I tried Paradise here in Florida, and Harley came home with the worst razor burn ever, my friends, and she suffered dearly. Long story short, I then tried another groomer, Wolfgang's, and the first time they went, it was perfect. I was so happy. Even the hair in their ears, they completely got it all out because it's very important when you have doodles, you know, and they get ear infections, it's important that that hair has to come out. Now, I can pluck it myself, and, you know, I do buy products to do that, and I have the, I don't know what they're called, the little tool that plucks it out, but you have to be careful when you're doing it, and you can't just keep going at it. You have to give them a break because it's sensitive. It's their ear area. But Harley has to be done on a regular basis, and she's such a good girl. She really is. She lets me do it. I know when she's done. I know when, okay, Mommy, she's had too much. So, you know, we let her go. But for the most part, I mean, Harley's ears are a weekly thing for me. I have to take care of her ears weekly. She has medication, bacteria fighter, all kinds of stuff for her ears. But she has floppy ears. I shave the hair very close beside her ear because if I don't, it gets so warm there, and that heat and the moisture, and they're not really in the pool, they don't go under with their heads, but the heat really, it causes that moisture, and it becomes a problem for Harley especially. So anyway, when they do get wet, and if you have a doodle or a long-haired dog that mats, you will know this. When they get wet, if you don't address it right away, that's going to end up a mat. So I have the Pig, it's called, blow dryer for them, and it sits on the floor. It's a big unit. It's very loud. It scares Lula. I did buy little headbands for their ears, and she'll let me do her body and her butt, but no way are you getting near her ears or her face. So I was in search of a blow dryer that I could use, like when they do go outside and they get their ears wet, the end, you know, from the pool or in the bushes, whatever, you have to get it dried right away or you're going to get mats. And then grooming is painful for them. So I found this on Amazon. It's a pet grooming dryer, and it has an overheating protection. It has a 3 temperature control, replacement comb, and quick hair removal. And it really is nice. It's not loud. It has 3 speeds, very easy to use. And when you get the hair buildup, because when I brush Lula especially, she gets a lot of fur, you just push and the fur comes right out. It's not loud. It does have 3 settings, and it works really nice. You know, I put it on low, and I just tried it first to see, and Harley was okay with it. Lula doesn't get as wet as Harley, but Harley, she's my trooper. That girl, she'll let me do anything to her. All right, so let's move on to the oh, well, one more thing for the dogs. Again, if you have a doodle, you know that their bodies are much longer than most raincoats or anything that they would wear out in the snow. So I always have to search for the extra, extra large, and they're hard to find. And I needed new raincoats for them because Lula's raincoat is so short, it doesn't even cover her butt. Finally, and it was at a specialty store in Fort Myers on Daniels Road, right next to the Whole Foods there, and they had them. And they're rain ponchos, and they are so cute. They have little hoods, but they're very long, so they cover their tail and everything, because their tail is like human hair, and I keep them very long. That's, again, you got to really keep on top of that tail. So I bought 2 of these, so they now have raincoats, because we get a lot of rain here in Florida. Yes, we do. All right, so now that's it for the doggy girls. The rest is all beauty things. I did buy a pink pencil from LA Girl. This is a pinky brown, and it was to go with my FITGLOW Beauty lip gloss that I have on fresh. And this is the color. It's pretty, pretty nice. And that, again, is for the Fresh FITGLOW gloss serum that I am wearing. I went, and this is something I thought I would never do, and it was get gel nails. And if anybody can chip gel nails, it's gonna be me. Because look, I chipped it, and my thumb is chipped as well. But I just got tired of nail polish chipping off, and I'm very active with my hands, so I decided to try the gel, and I'm not keen on the soaking my fingers in acetone, so I think this might be the last time. So I went ahead, and I just don't like any of the colors the salon has. They don't have a lot of the new ones. They have all old things. So I decided I have all these colors back in Buffalo, but I decided to buy the ESSIE with the top coat. And this one here is like a navy black, and the color of this one is Caviar Bar. So this is from ESSIE. I do like this. It's comparable to a gel. I also like my London Town, but I have some of those here too. Those I have to order. I can't just go and pick them up. So I'll probably order some more of those. But I really like this one. And then I like a nice pink. Louis likes brighter colors. He likes reds and fuchsia. He's not crazy about the navy blues and stuff, but never says anything when I wear them. And this one is Drop the Gown. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful fuchsia. I thought this is great for the toes or the fingers. And then I bought this one, which is Spiked with Style. And I like this because I love a rich burgundy cranberry color on the nails. I just love it. This one here that I have on is okay. I don't know the name of it, but it has a little bit of rust in it, which I don't like. Where this clearly is, this is my color. I mean, if you've been watching me for a long time, you know that I wear this color a lot on my nails. And then, of course, the top coat so that they wear well. I did order the Tom Ford in a different color concealer, and this is Praline. It is much better for me. The other two were way too light. I'll give you a little swatch of this just so you can see. It has a yellow undertone for me, which works. And then of course, once you buff it out, it's not that dark. I don't like brightness underneath. I just want to camouflage what's under there. It has a little bit of a peach undertone, so it's going to take care of the darkness for me. I'm not sure, this is my first day wearing it with a different powder. I'm not crazy about it. I think it ages my eyes a little bit, but we'll see. I forgot, I do have one more doggy thing. This is for plucking the hair. It's essential that you get an ear powder, and you just spritz, and the powder goes on the ear, and it gives you the ability to grip and get it out fast. And you just kind of grip, 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 and pull, pull, pull real fast. Small sections. You don't want to take the whole, you know, bush in there. You want to just take small sections, and it really works well. Okay. I needed to replenish my Estee Lauder Futurist Hydra Rescue Foundation, and I wear 3W1. I love that. I've been wearing it for years now when it first came out. This is something new from FITGLOW Beauty, Makeup Cleansing Oil. I'm going to give this a try. I love a cleansing oil. And FITGLOW, so many of you ask me for clean products. So I'm trying to find clean products that are worthy, because a lot of the clean products lack for me. So FITGLOW Beauty, I'm going to give this a try and see how it works, and then I will come back and let you know. Okay, so I purchased some hair products from Amika that seem new to me. This is the Couture Multitask Repair Treatment. I thought I would give it a try. I will say up front, I did not care for the shampoo and conditioner in the Couture line. It was a little bit drying for me, and sometimes that happens when you use products that have too much keratin, or you use keratin products too much. My hair gets a little bit brittle. So I thought I would just give it a try, because I know it's a new product and many people will wonder about it. This here is from Amika, and it's called Blockade Heat Defense Serum. So I thought I would give that a try. And then this is Fade Block. It's a pre-shampoo color seal. I thought I would give that a try. I've been using some of the Amika products, and I have really liked them. It took me a while to acclimate to the smell, which I know many people love, but it's very strong to me. But I love their dry shampoo. I love it. And here in Florida, I do wash my hair less. In Buffalo, I washed my hair every day. In Florida, my hair seems to do better when I wash it maybe every other day, because it gets so frizzy. So I thought, well, I'll experiment. So if I'm not leaving the house, because I work out and I sweat, that's gross to me to have that in my hair and style it and go out. It's nasty. For me, but the dry shampoo works really well, and my hair just performs better when I don't wash it as much here in this humidity, because I'm telling you, naturally, my hair's out to here. It is. This is all effort. All of it. Anyway, I gotta take a sip. Moving along, I wanted to try this Topic Root Touch Up Spray. This is in medium blonde, because you all know what my roots look like, and some of you just don't like them. So I do have this for in between, although I have 2 salons that I'm going to interview, and they use Goldwell. And I don't know the names of them offhand, but I probably should ask you, because I know many of you live in Florida, in the Fort Myers area. One of them is, and I think the other one might be in Naples, not sure. But anyway, the reviews of certain girls in the salon are really, really good. Anyway, so the Topic, I'm going to give this a try, the root spray. I'm going to try that one. I've tried so many of them, and some of them leave your hair so greasy looking or just dull, and I hate that. All right, so let's talk about some other hair products. I think you're going to see a theme here, okay? These are all hair masks. I want to try some. One I've tried before, and I really liked it, so I wanted to put that in the rotation, because, again, hair masking is something you all ask me about. So I figured I'm going to really focus on some masks that I have used or maybe are new to me. And some have been recommended that I try. And this is one that a lot of you want to know about. And I have used this in the past, but I'm going to do it all over again. Okay, so this is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Then I also got the Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. No harsh sulfates, silicones, or parabens. I'm trying to get all products that have no silicones or parabens, and you know the routine. This one here is Verb Ghost Hair Mask. I'm going to give this a try. No parabens, gluten, sulfates, so another good one. Now this one here I only bought a single pack because it's a little on the pricier side to buy the whole container. So I bought the Renaissance Circle Hopeless Hair Extreme Repair Mask by Davidson. Gonna give that a try. So this line is actually for definition and curl elongation. This is pattern. This is Diana Ross's daughter's hair care line, and her name is Tracy Ellis. I loved her on Blackish, loved her. Anyway, I saw this and I thought I'm going to give this a try because I don't have curls and the texture of my hair is not the same, but this is a very interesting looking mask to me. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a try and give my review. Now remember, I have very dry hair, and sometimes curly hair or mixed hair can have a tendency to be very dry. Now I don't have the curls, but we're still going to give it a try. So we have that one to work on, and then this one here is from Kristen S. Reconstructive Moisture Mask. I thought I would go ahead and give this one a try. I've never tried anything from this line. I was very tempted to buy several things, but the smell is really strong to me. So we're gonna give that a try. And then of course, they came out with this in the pump, so I had to get it because I always had the jar where I dig my fingers in. And I found these all, this isn't a professional store. These were all from Ulta. The Verb was professional store, Briogeo, Ulta, this was Davidson's was a professional store. So this one here I can get wholesale. And this is the Intense Hydrating Mask from Moroccan Oil. I love this, I've used it for years. Of course, I'm also going to throw in the Colleen Rothschild hair mask, which is my favorite. One of these could bump it out, who knows? But just keep watching because I'm going to be doing a video with all kinds of different hair masks. And then I decided to get this one from Pureology, and this one is 21 Essentials Benefits Color Fanatic. So we have a ton of hair masks to try, my friends, and there should be something for everyone here. There should be, okay? All right, so that is my little haul, and once I use all of these things, I will definitely, they'll either be in an empties, they might show up in a favorites. If it's really something that wows me or is just awful and a waste of money, I might do a dedicated video. One never knows. All right, so if you haven't already subscribed, you know I would love to have you as an ageless beauty, so hit that subscribe button, and right next to it is the bell. That lets you know every single time I put up a crazy long video. I'm trying to shorten these things. Anyway, on your way out, make sure you subscribe, leave me a comment. I love reading from all of you. Until the next time, my friends, you go out in the world and you be oh so lovable. The world needs it more than ever. And remember, I love you all. Bisous.